Every year, Mary and Joseph went to Jerusalem for a special festival called Passover. When Jesus was 12 years old, they went to the festival as usual. And when the festival was over, they started on the journey back home. But Jesus stayed in Jerusalem. Mary and Joseph didn't know this, and they thought that Jesus was with the large group of friends and family that they were travelling with. They travelled a whole day before they realised that he was missing. They asked their group if anyone had seen him, but nobody knew where he was. And so Mary and Joseph travelled back to Jerusalem to look for him. They searched everywhere, but they couldn't find him. There were still thousands of people in Jerusalem, and as time passed by, they became more and more worried that something had happened to him. On the third day, weary and exhausted, they found him in the temple, sitting with the Jewish teachers, listening to them and asking questions. Everyone who heard Jesus was amazed at his intelligent answers. Mary and Joseph were astonished when they saw him, and Mary said to him, "Son, why have you done this to us? Your father and I have been searching everywhere trying to find you, and we've been worried sick." Jesus said to them, "Why did you have to look for me? Didn't you know that I would be in my Father's house?" But Mary and Joseph didn't understand what he meant. So Jesus went obediently back to Nazareth, and Mary treasured all these things in her heart. Jesus grew both in body and in wisdom, gaining favour with God and with his people.